For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za. It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is itiskitimes.co.za. It's Bafana 1, Panama 2 in an international friendly game. Bafana, of course, needing to put their best foot forward to show a positive output. Unfortunately, for people from my Cape Town home ground, my city, they didn't see their Bafana winning this time around. Were there anything that we learned from the game? Was there anything that we can take from the game to the World Cup? We shall find out from Bobsit. Bobsit, you saw the game. Well, how was the game for you?
Yeah, thanks Mr. Ngilman. Ithi ngibulise madoda la studio.
Yes, sir.
Ngibulise nawe ngakhohle awuthami.
Yes, sir.
Shane la khona.
Is it at the stadium?
No, ngiyamceba uma ngabe la igoli akazange avalelise ukuthi uyapi sengiyasho ukuthi awuthami Shane.
No, he's at the stadium.
Yeah, no. Mr. Ngil, ithi singene igemini man. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi igame yanamhlanje mina angibhekanga kakhulu ama results. Ngibheke the way team is preparing ngakhona going to World Cup, because ngiyacabanga lama game lawa amagame okugcina for ibafana ukuprepare World Cup. So into ebalekile ukuthi udlala kanjani, uziprepare kanjani ku World Cup, going to World Cup, unlike ukuthi you can win ngaboma 3-4 goals uthi ubheka the way udlala ngakhona udlali kahle, uzokhohliswa ama results ucabanga ukuthi wenza kahle. So mina into engibhekile ukuthi sidlala kanjani. So coach Hugo Broos yabona uyarotate i-team yakhe, kunama rotation la ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe bengingamelanga abanye abadlali abafana noRonza. I understand ukuthi mhlawumbe utry ukuthi athole la combination kule defense mhlawumbe le engajwayelanga ukudlala noRonza, but you know ukuthi uRonza uzokunikeza ini, you know ukuthi uyakwazi ukudlala noMbokazi, uyakwazi ukudlala noTebza noAubrey, uyakwazi futhi ukudlala nabadlali abafana nabo Foster up front. So mina bengicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe uzomresta alethe the two goalkeepers mhlawumbe abanikeze ama 45 just ukuthi bathole mhlawumbe leyo confidence abanye abadlali ba understand.
Awubona ukuthi mhlawumbe it's the obsession with the result, because I think today they will look at why they lost, and Ronald Lerner was responsible for the first goal. He gave it away, and then it was a rebound from him. Maybe it's that obsession. I agree with you, actually, that even Sundowns players were not supposed to play because they have a game on Friday, and they already won, or they already played the previous game. But it's the obsession that whatever happens, Melengi win a game.
Yeah, I think Naile Mestinke, ungabucinisile because ekugcineni uma ngathi uyambheka umuntu ongafuni ukuluza ekhaya ungabheka amagame wakhe awadlala la ekhaya ku national team. So but okubalekile ukuthi ama preparation wakho njengoba ngisho ngithi uprepare kanjani. Yes, you can win Mr. Nkeo the way understand ngakhona, but mina ngibheke ukudlala kwakho. Uma rotate abadlali bakho uthi rotate. Okay, ungamletha uRonza akunikeze lento akunikeza yona, but uthola ukuthi kusana amagame abadlali bafuna ukwadlala. It might happen bonke labadlali bangayi World Cup. Uzoyenza kanjani if you don't want to give uLena no umdlalo ogos I chance? If nginike example, this is football, siphila kulomhlaba noma ngabe yini ngenzeka Mr. Nkeo, if uRonza angathola injury uzomletha kuyiphi game ebaleke kangakanani World Cup lo emidlalo, uzomfesa kanjani lo emidlalo. So kanti waye ungamjwayezi manje. So but kwamanye ama rotation ya understand mhlawumbe ukuthi ufuna ukuthola lawo ama combination njengabo Hlongwane abazange babe ne game right today uma ungabheka baleke composure Mr. Nkeo final third uma ungabheka uluza amabhola amaningi uHlongwane. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi the ways la ngakhona Mr. Nkeo defensive mina ngiyacabanga as right njengoba ngitshele ngathi kwafika uMbokazi yonke into izoba right kule defense. Uma unabo Tebza ku midfield ngiyacabanga unabo Mbatha abadlali ababuya ngesub nabo apolice badlala ngicabanga ukuthi uright ku midfield uright ku defense, but the problem uma sicala sifuna ukattack Mr. Nkeo ngathi kubanzima uma ungabheka nama chances uma ungabheka this game azange create more chances. Uma ungayicompare nale game esibuya kuyo le first game eseDurban si create more chances as long as convert today as long as silo si create more chances. Kudinga la khona abadlali abafana nabo Mbokazi abanesibindi awini ibhola ku defense adrive ngalela bhola azofika anikeza abadlali abafana nabozwane no Mahupa kube na that short pass combination libuye kuyo umdlali. So uyabona ukuthi umdlali ngicabanga ukuthi usinikeza something, because ungabheka lela goal elishayile Mr. Nkeo akaqala ukulishaya. I think iswelele siyamazi Mr. Nkeo lela bhola kuliletha nje first touch yakhe uyambona ukuthi uvula ibhola udribble le out ubeka ibhola la technique. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi emuva na ku midfield Mr. Nkeo is right, but we were tested today. Sidlale ne team ngicabanga ukuthi team ine quality Mr. Nkeo. Abanye abantu bangayithatha kancane le team. Mina ngibone kahle ukuthi quality. I think they make 2 changes today. Uma ngithi ngibhekele lineup, but I stand to be corrected.
It could be around 5. I was checking them at the beginning of the game.
Yeah.
Some of the players were on the bench. I think 5 of them, and they were playing today.
There's a guy bambiza uHavi. Bekadlala midfield nabo Martinez last week. Now bamthatha bamletha ku defense. The way ay quality ngakhona lo yamdlali uma ungambheka bathu Carlos Havi. Kunomdlali bathu uGodoba. uGodoba bekadlala la kule center back na last week. Uyimdlali nalo Havi ababuyile, but there's a player very impressed ngalabadlala abadlala in the middle of the park, Mr. Nkewu. Kunomdlali iKarakara, Mr. Nkewu. Mambizo Karas lapho kule midfield, just number 8. I think the quality abanayo.
You're already scouting for the Sunday one.
No, labanya ngokuba afford, Mr. Nkewu. Yes, we can go in South America.
You're the only people who can afford.
But not everyone, because kunabantu ubheka ama-league abadlala kuwo abanye abadlali laba ke badlala khona. That guy engitshela ngaye ngithi uKaras kule midfield jersey number 8 wenza ibhola ibe simple. Kunomdlali ngapha jersey number 23 ongaphaka ka right, Mr. Nkewu. Wenza ibhola ibe simple. So uyabona ukuthi bathu Morali, that guy already uyazi ukuthi uma ngabe mhlambe ukhuliso avulele lesa space, mina kumele ngenzeni uma ngabe ushiya lesa space and badlala as a team. Uma ngathi uyabheka lama changes engitshela ngawo ngibone 2 players mina labafikile manje. So boThamen bebangekho today, and uma uthi uyabheka le team ebeyidlala le nale team edlala manje ihluke kakhulu, but badlala ngendlela lefanayo. They understand the system abayidlalayo. When they defend, very organized team. So yakhona ukubona ukuthi those are ama preparation aba ready for wona ukuthi guys we are going to play like this ku World Cup, because they know ukuthi bohlangana nama team adlala ngayiphi indlela nama team ane quality kangakanani. So kumele uqala ubheke i-defense yakho, Mr. Nkewu, before ucabanga ngoku-attack, because if you are going to attack bazokushaya amagoli amaningi, because uyodlala ne-quality. Thina siyodlala nama team afana nabo Mexico. My team anabadlala abane quality, Mr. Nkewu. So mina ngicabanga ukuthi their team they are ready to play World Cup, because ngibheke the way structure sabo singakhona. Baletha new players but badlala system lefanayo, because when they defend ngendlela le right. If they add the number, but add the number in the midfield, bashiya 3 at the back, but uma bafuna ukudefend iyabuya le 2 baba 5 baba 3 laba bayabuya bazo cover wonke bazovala wonke lama space avulekile.
Yeah, how much of this I hate this reflection on football that is based on winning or losing. At some point it was 1-1. I think people would have been happy to go home at 1-1, and maybe some of these questions we were never going to ask. But they lost, and people are going to feel one way about it. How much of this team, 50%, 70%, is going to the World Cup? Is Hugo Broos going to punish some of the players to say, Lerner, you might not be going to the World Cup. Hlongwane, you might not be going to the World Cup. I know he loves Tole, so maybe he might be going to the World Cup. But because it's a loss and people are unhappy in Cape Town, do you think some of those players will not be going to the World Cup?
Yeah, some of the players, but into engakutshela yona Mr. Nkewu ukuthi Hugo Broos unayi first 11 njengoba sikhuluma, as long as kungabi nama injuries unayi first 11 ukuthi ngiyogadla ngayiphi team World Cup first game yami. Angifuni ukukhohlisa Mr. Nkewu, uma ungabheka the way attesta ngakhona labadlali kunabadlali obona ukuthi obvious bakhona kule first 11 as long as bangeke babe nama injuries. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi Mzansi kumele understand siya understand ama results siyafuna, but kumele understand the way team idlala ngakhona ukuthi we are ready na ukuthi sihambe siyolo. But mangithi ngibheka striking force njengoba ngisho asikho ready to go ngalesa striking force. Kusho kona ukuthi siyodlala defensive manje. Siyokhala ukuthi sometimes amanye amagoli siwadraw because of speke the way singekho right ngakhona.
Do you understand why we would be defensive? And I think this is the point I'm driving home in all of these videos. Yeah. We are going to blame the coach for being defensive. Given that we were playing against a team that was defending and our attackers, they were blunt, their knives were not sharp enough. Yeah. Do you understand why the coach then says, you know what, I'm better off defending?
Yeah, I understand, Mr. Nkewu, but now ezinye zezinto ngiyacabanga ukuthi kumele ayibheke kahle. Unabo badlali la kule country abanga attack. So uma ngabe mhlawumbe acabanga ukuthi le system yena idlalayo imnceda ngalabadlali mhlawumbe babona ngathi uyo attacka ngabo. Kungathi sinabo badlali abanga attacka, Mr. Nkewu, njengoba ngisho. So into nje engayicacisa ukuthi akalungise ku-attack, mhlambe angeke a-concentrate too much ku-defense, but ngakutshela la mazidlala AFCON ngathi ku-World Cup siyodefenda nga-8 players.
Yeah,
and ngiyakutshela namanje the way ngimbona ngakhona urespect abadlali, especially ngathini i-Orlando uyayihlonipha kakhulu. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi uma umbona defenders dlala la e-Africa kuyoba worse uma siyodlala nama team wangalebo Orkanti because ngibona ngathi urespecta le quality nalama league mhlawumbe abadlala ku. So let's wait and see Mr Nkeu, but ngiyacabanga ukuthi Mr Hugo Bros mbizo madala mina kumele alungise striking force so that at least unikeze opponent ilo at least i-threat ukuthi nabo bakwazi ukubuya back bazodefend. But if you're going to defend with more players, I think uyabanikeza leyo freedom ukuthi abeze kuwe. So umbuzo ukuthi mabakubuza lo mbuzo lo uzophendula na unabo labo badlali bokuthi bazodefend the way ufuna badefende ngakhona yini na.
All right, nice one. Thank you very much, Bobs. I'm sweating buckets here. Apologies to everyone as well. That's how COVID spreads and other viruses as well. You sweat and then you touch other people. Yeah, the videos will come out late, but yeah, we do apologize as long as you do get the video before the end of the night. It is Itiski Times. What's for sweating?
Hola Bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi Bafethu, I'm a coach for life. They're back in winning ways. Please, I tell you to subscribe to Itiski TV.